Welcome to Paya, Indah, Wetlands. Woo!
Hi, I'm Dariri. This sanctuary is located in Dengkil, Selangor. It consists many animals and herbs and plants. The animals included reptiles, birds and mammals, such as hippos, crocodiles and many. There are many activities to do here, such as bird watching, nature walk, crocodile feeding, hippo feeding and more.
Hello, Karina Jiha here. Did you know that here in Paya Indah Wetlands, there are 220 species of plants, 235 species of birds, 20 species of reptiles, 23 species of mammals, 14 species of fish, and lastly, 10 species of amphibians. How amazing, right? So why are these animals and plants are brought here in the Paya Indah Wetlands? Firstly, these animals and plants are brought here because they are categorized as endangered species. Endangered species are animals that are in the brink of extinction. If no action is taken, maybe we will never see them again in the future. Endangered species that can be found here in Paya Indah Wetlands are animals such as dusty leaf monkeys and also night hippos. Other than that, there are also plants that are endangered such as tongkat alik and also acacia trees. So by bringing them here, we can ensure that they won't go to extinct. This is such a good news for the future generation. Next is for the safety of the animals. This animal might be harmed by human activities. For example, the babies of dusty leaf monkeys are captured to make as pets. So this might be harmful for the monkeys. Thus, by bringing them here in Paya Indah Wetlands, all the animals and plants are protected under Akta Perkhidmatan. So anybody that dare to harm these animals will be sued immediately. Other than that, this place is also crucial for the safety of humans. We always hear on news how crocodiles are seen on public beaches. So scary, right? So the Perkhidmatan will take action by taking the crocodile into this sanctuary. Thus, the crocodile won't harm anyone and nobody will be harmed by the crocodile.
It's Liana here. So to continue with my friend's explanation, I'm going to share with you guys what are the challenges that were faced by Ex-Situ conservation. Let's go. So there are few threats that could be threatening to biodiversity in Malaysia, such as land development, pollution, poaching and also climate change. But for Ex-Situ itself, there are also a few challenges that were faced by population there. So what are they? So firstly, many questions arise regarding the extent to which captive animals are able to adapt to their new habitats and the stresses on living organisms due to competitions for food, space, water and so on. Other than that, there are also issues related to Ex-Situ tends to only save particular species, whereas In-Situ save the whole ecosystem. So what are the answers for these issues? So the answer for the first question is that this matter can actually be avoided by Ex-Situ conservation there by providing conditions necessary for cycle life and breeding. So the answer for the next question is that similar to some conservation methods used for cultural heritage, Ex-Situ conservations are only to protect endangered animals and plants from the threats of extinction by keeping them in a controlled environment. So have you guys clear about that?
and I'm Indah. As we know, Ex-Situ conservation focuses on ensuring the survival of endangered species by protecting them outside their natural habitats. Ex-Situ conservations provide artificially constructed environments that are close to the endangered species' natural habitats to ensure their safety and their suitability. So, what are the importance of Ex-Situ conservation? Firstly, animals in Ex-Situ conservation can gain protection from predation and illegal poaching. This is because in Ex-Situ conservation, there are no threats like predators. This can ensure the safety of the endangered animals there. Aside from that, animals in Ex-Situ conservations are constantly monitored and supervised. Diseases or sickness appearing among the animals can be quickly addressed and the animals can get proper treatment. This can ensure that the health of the endangered animals can be maintained. To add on, animals that are on the brink of extinction in Ex-Situ conservation can be bred to increase their population. For example, the eggs of the last white rhino are used to repopulate. This can ensure that the species can be sustained and that healthy offsprings are achieved. However, there are also some cons to Ex-Situ conservation. Firstly, captive breeding can reduce genetic diversity as there are not many variations within the animals in Ex-Situ conservation, and not all species will breed in captivity. In addition, animals in Ex-Situ conservation may also experience behavioral changes. These may be due to stress or the need to adapt to a new environment. It is also expensive to maintain the facilities in Ex-Situ conservation, and the cost of the treatment of the endangered animals can be high. Lastly, the animals also have less mobility due to the small restricted space.
This is the adaptation of Nile hippos in Ex-Situ conservation and how Ex-Situ conservation can secure its safety and conservation. Before that, Nile hippo or river hippo is a large semi-aquatic mammal and its distribution is native to sub-Saharan Africa. Nile hippos inhabit mostly rivers and lakes. Its conservation status is protected until now. Factors that leads to Nile hippos extinction are due to habitat loss, hunting and poaching, population expansion, expansion of oil palm plantations, logging and opening up of forested areas. And lastly, how Ex-Situ conservation ensure Nile hippos safety and conservation. So how? Ex-Situ conservation strengthen and protect the hippo space by providing funding and improving infrastructures of their new habitats.
Aku takut. Dia ikut kita.
Kenapa dia pergi sini? Orang tadi duduk kat sana kan? Lily slowly.
Apa yang dia terlepas?
Tak apa, sakit Lily, slowly.
Dia buat makanan tu
Pujian juga. Ya.
Dia masuk video. Oh, dia dah stop dah. Dah habis sini.
Many questions arise. Okay.
Ada 2 ekor nak dekat dengan kita. Oh.
Weh.
Hai, boleh saya interview awak? Miau. Apakah makanan kegemaran anda? Oh, okey.